Well, let's talk about this Delsym cough syrup. It does kind of what you would expect. It has like an orange flavor. Doesn't particularly taste super great. It's cough syrup. You don't really. You're just trying not to cough and feel better. I will say after taking it though, I feel a bit better. So I will continue to take it whenever I do get sick. So like I can't complain. Has its own little cup with it, so that's good. Good. The product showed up. It wasn't damaged. It was what it said it was going to be, and with plenty of time for expiration. So like definitely a good solid product if you're looking just to kind of help out with your cough and you're okay with orange cough medicine.